Hello student, this is class 3rd and we are studying 3rd GSC. We are studying lesson 9 soil. GSC lesson 9 soil. Lesson 9 soil we are studying. So today we have to study what have you learned in this lesson. What have you learned? First, soil is the first we have to write here what we are going to study in this lesson. What have you learned? What have you learned at the end of the lesson? So, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. Next, soil is formed by the breaking of rocks. Breaking means weathering of rock, breaking of rocks into smaller pieces. So, soil is formed by the breaking of rocks. Breaking of rocks or weathering is done by the heat of the sun, heavy rain, cold weather, and roots of trees. Now next, soil is made up of particles of different sizes. Now next, soil contains water and air. Soil also contains organic matter and humus. Now next, soil is mainly of three kinds. Number one is sandy, second is clay, and third is loamy soil. So these are the three types of the soils. Different layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Now next, different types of plants grow in different types of soil. Now next, soil is home of many animals like rats, insects, snakes, etc. etc. They live in the soil. Now next, more to know. More to know. One can see the different layers of soil by digging it deep. When we dig this soil, we can observe different layers. When we dig this soil, we can find different layers of soil. Next one is coconut, cashew nut, dates, groundnut, cucumbers, and gourds grow well in sandy soil. Their roots need lots of air, since their roots need a huge amount of the air. So these plants can be grown well in sandy soil. Next, clay soil. Clay soil is ideal for paddy, means rice. So clay soil is ideal for paddy or the rice cultivation. Its roots need to be in water. Their plants require a huge amount of the water. So clay soil is best for paddy cultivation. Next, wearing away of soil. Wearing away of soil by wind, rain and running water is called soil erosion. So now next, protecting soil from erosion is called soil conservation. So two new terms are here. One is soil erosion and other is soil cultivation. Soil conservation. Plantation plays a very important role in soil conservation. Now next, word power. Next one is word power. Word power. First, it is given as humus, a component of soil made up of remains of dead plants and animals. You know, soil, it increases the fertility of the soil. It also works as the nutrients of the soil. A soil containing more humus is the best soil for the cultivation of the crops. More soil is there, means more humus is there, it means soil is more fertile. If two samples of soil are given, one soil having the more humus and other soil having the very less humus, so the soil containing more humus will be more fertile in comparison to the other. Next, manure. So animal dung used for fertilizing lands. So this is animal dung used for fertilizing land. This is the humus, means the manures, mean the animal dungs, and the plant residues are also used for making manures. Not only these, but sometimes we use the term green manures. Some plants we directly plow in the field, and when they decay, they increase the fertility of soil. These are the manures called as green manures. So bedrock, solid rock, underlying loose deposits such as soil is called bed rocks. So Now we have to start, next day we will start worksheet 9. So thank you.